Mushroom powder is what we are making today. Welcome to this channel where I share with you how to make simple Ghanaian intercontinental recipes. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Now with me here I have my mushrooms that I bought from the supermarket, and I'll clean it very well with a paper towel. So have you ever tried using mushroom or like taking in mushroom powder? Let me know in the comment section, because mushroom powder contains a lot of health benefits. Research has it that mushrooms are very rich in antioxidants and also helps protect your skin cells and also helps in aging. It contains some anti-cancer properties which helps in very difficult in getting cancer. So after cutting it, I'm going to dehydrate it. But if you don't have dehydrator, you can as well sand it. Welcome Yummy to this channel. My name is Yummy Cash, and on this channel we do food related videos. So if you're interested, kindly hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video whenever I upload. So everything that have an advantage also have a disadvantage, and the disadvantage of taking mushroom powder in high quantity is it causes dry mouth, and also it causes some nausea. It can make you have some rashes and also stomach upset. So the dehydrator, I set it on 70 degrees, and the hours I used in dehydrating it is 7 hours. But when you don't have the dehydrator at home and you are sunning it, I think it's going to be less. The hours is going to be less. So mushrooms also can be used in flavoring your soups and your stews. So this is 5 hours of dehydrating it, and this is how it looks like. So this is how it's looking like, and we are left with 2 hours. It's not fully dry, so I'm gonna leave it again, since I have set the hours to 7 hours, and that is how I normally do it. So I'm gonna leave it for the additional 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, this is it, and everything is well dry. I'm gonna bring everything down on a tray. So now it's time to put it in a powdery form. Put everything in your blender and then blend it very nicely, like in a smooth powdery form. Now the mistake I made is when blending it, there was little water in the blender, so you can see the difference. The one is kind of wet and the other one is very dry. So I'm going to spread it again and leave it for additional 2 to 3 days, and then come back and blend it smoothly. So after 4 days of drying it in the kitchen, this is what I got, and in a coffee blender I pour it in and then blend it into a very smooth powdery form. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Always remember to do everything in love. Choose.